Hello. So today we're going to be working on making this cup out of a cube. It's a very simple Blender tutorial here. So let's get started. I'm just going to delete everything and we'll start a new scene here. Okay. So when you get into Blender, you have the new scene. We're just going to select a light X. Press X to do delete. Select the camera, X to delete, and this is our cube. Click on our X viewport, zoom in with the middle mouse scroll, and press G on the keyboard to bring this, G and Z, to bring this so it's sitting right up on the top of the floor here. All right, so next is to tab into edit mode. Make sure that you're in polygon mode, number 3. Select the top part, move your mouse over here, press 5 for inset, and inset it to about there. Then go into X-ray mode, which is here, and we're going to click on our X viewport, and E for extrude, and extrude all the way down to about probably there. Turn our X-ray mode off, and tab out of edit mode. Click on our modifiers icon, add a modifier. Make sure you're on generate. Select subdivision surface. Give it a number 3. Right click on this and choose shade smooth. There's our cup, and we need a handle now. So we're just going to tab into edit mode. Select this face. We're going to copy the face, so Shift D. And you have it here, right click, so it cancels the move. Then we're going to press P on our keyboard to select P selection right there, so it makes it a separate object. Tab out of edit mode. Select your new circle. We're just going to tab into edit mode again. Press A on the keyboard to select everything. S for scale. You scale it down to the size of your handle that you want. And then go back to your X view here and just G for move, and move it inside your cup. Now press E for extrude, and extrude your handle out a little bit. And then keep on pressing E for extrude to extrude it a little bit further. Press R to rotate, G to move, and then E to extrude, R to rotate, G to move, E to extrude, R to rotate, G to move, and that's how we make the handle. That's it. Pretty simple.